Did you know that one night of violence ended an entire era of peace and love? On August 9, 1969, Charles Manson's followers turned a quiet Hollywood home into a house of horrors. Susan Atkins, Patricia Krenwinkel, and Charles Watson climbed the fence at 10,050 Cielo Drive. Inside, they found 5 people, including pregnant actress Sharon Tate. What happened next was pure evil. The killers spent hours in the house, writing the word pig on the front door in blood. Manson had convinced these young people that brutal murder would start a race war he called Helter Skelter. He believed this chaos would make him ruler of the world. The next night, they struck again at the LaBianca house, writing death to pigs and Helter Skelter in blood on the walls. Police connected both crimes through fingerprints and witness testimony. The investigation revealed how Manson used mind control and manipulation to turn lost young people into killers. These murders didn't just end 6 lives, they killed the innocent spirit of the 1960s forever.